Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm going to show you how to make my super protein punch spicy curried soup, comfort soup for the winter.
It is gonna be fun to find the right title for this video.
By the way, it is a very simple soup to make. It takes not even half an hour to prepare it, so let's see how it is done. First thing that you will have to do is to drop your oil inside a little pan, and there are pieces inside because I'm using the leftover from a jar of sun-dried tomatoes. Otherwise, usually I use extra virgin olive oil because it's the best one, and switch on a low medium flame. When the oil is hot enough, you can drop the onions and the garlic. The garlic cloves, I usually do this. I cut them for this soup in little discs. And once cut, just give a good stir and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Keep on stirring, otherwise it's gonna burn. Just cut in little cubes the sweet potato, not too small, not too big, and drop them together with the garlic and the onions in the pan. Give a good stir. Let them cook for 3-4 minutes. Okay, after the 3-4 minutes passed, you can add all the spices inside. Half a teaspoon of coriander seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, fennel seeds, and I'm gonna put half a teaspoon. So just give a very good stir, and when you have mixed it very well, you can add your vegetable broth. Just start adding half of the 500 milliliters. And now we can leave the potatoes to cook. Before putting a lid on it, I will add half a teaspoon of gochujan paste, which is a spicy Korean paste. Mix it well, leave it to cook on a medium flame for about 10 minutes so that the potatoes are gonna soften. During the 10 minutes that you will leave the sweet potato to cook, just remember to check every now and then, even if the flame is on a medium-low level, that there is enough vegetable broth inside. If it is not enough, just keep on adding a little bit, because you remember you still have 250 milliliters to use. Okay, now lower the flame to minimum, and you can add your cooked red kidney beans and your white beans. Once you added them, just give a delicate quick stir and add your passata. Okay, at this point, when you added the beans and the passata, you can just leave it to cook for 10 minutes, even a tiny bit less. There we go. Now is everything well mixed, the flavor is all well mixed together of everything. You can switch off and your soup is ready. Look at this beauty. This is like a mix of lots of vitamins, proteins, everything that you need for this winter. Definitely everything that you need for this winter. And now we can just put it inside our bowl. My God, look at that. And what we do usually is that we toast a slice of bread each, or even 2 if you'd like. We put a tiny bit of extra virgin olive oil on the top. If you'd like, you can add even some nutritional yeast in, but it's very tasty already. And that's it. This is so simple yet so tasty and so quick to prepare. In total, it took not even half an hour. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below if you have any other kind of recipes, or if you'd like to see any other kind of recipes. If you have anything in mind, I will try to make up something for the next video for you. Please remember to like and subscribe even on tbsp Studio UK channel, because it's my husband's channel and he's the one that is actually filming right now and actually always filming. So thank you very much for that, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good Christmas. Thank you. Bye.